Gap Up Strategy. Greetings, welcome to today's trading session. In our session today, our advanced algorithmic trading system diligently executed a trade strategy centered around gap up principles, with a specific focus on TAL Education Group, TAL. Let's immerse ourselves in a thorough analysis of our real-time trading performance, shedding light on this particular trade. At precisely 9:53 a.m., our algorithm detected a potential price breakout in TAL, aligning seamlessly with our gap up and breakout strategy. Swiftly, it issued a buy order for TAL shares at a purchase price of $9.45. Let's closely examine the 1-minute chart for a detailed perspective. The algorithmic trading system entered the market here, anticipating the breakout of the previous daily high. However, after a brief period, the price movement did not align with our expectations for a breakout. Consequently, at 9:58 a.m., the system made the decision to exit all positions at a price of $9.42, incurring a minor loss. Mere moments after we exited the position, the price indeed broke the previous high. Now, shifting our attention to the end-of-day charts for TAL, as the trading day came to a close, TAL settled at a closing price of $9.52, which above our predetermined exit price. For a more in-depth analysis of this specific trade, we invite you to review today's live streaming session. Thank you for joining us in this insightful trading journey. Stay tuned for more analytical updates and strategic insights. Happy trading!